Hello and welcome back to another fun Friday here at Midland County Public Libraries. My name is Chea and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own spinners. So let's get started. So we have kits here prepared at the library at either Centennial or downtown. And so what the kit includes for this Fun Friday craft would be a bottle top, this template that will be the top of your spinner design, and just an old CD. Now, if you don't come to the library to pick up either of these items, I will show you actually how you can make this particular pinwheel design from home. So for that, what you will need is a piece of paper and, like I said, a CD. Of course, for this activity, you'll also need markers to go ahead and color your design and some glue to glue all your materials onto your CD. So if you don't have that piece of paper or the template or kit picked up from either library, you just grab your CD, grab a pencil, pen, or use one of your markers and trace it on a piece of paper. Once you do that, you just want to cut it out. Very, very easy. Doesn't have to be perfect, but cut along the line as best as you can. And voila, set that aside. You are done with your scissors. So I'm going to show you how to make this pinwheel design, and what you will need is a ruler or something with a straight edge. So once you have your circle cut out, you're just going to draw your pinwheel design, and to start you want to draw a line right down the middle of your circle, just like that. Once we do that, you want to measure about an inch. Let's see how far these apart. So on this, they're about 1.5 inches apart. So from the widest part of your triangle at the bottom, you just want to measure about 1.5 inches apart on either side. So I'm going to do one right here, and I know I need to do 1.5 inches from the bottom. So I did a dot right here and a dot right here, and I'm going to go ahead and connect those two. And you're just going to do the same along around your circle here. Measure 1.5 inches, widest part. 1.5 inches. Boom, boom. 1.5 inches. You should have about 5 triangles on both sides. And so it should turn out and look a little something like this. Of course, we don't have the circle in the middle like the ones we have here in the library, but this works just fine. After you do that, you're just going to color your circle. And what I do is on mine, I'm just gonna make sure I match the colors on either side. So I'll color this one blue, and I'll color the bottom one blue here. But you can do it however you like. It's not gonna make a difference. All right, so there you have it. There is my color design. So after you get that, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna grab your glue and your CD. Well, let's put the glue on here first. And you glue it along the edge. Grab your CD, place that on top. All right, once you're done with that, I glued the other side for video purpose, so it will be dry. You're just gonna glue your bottle cap right on top. Right down the middle. You should get something like this. And that's it. You're just gonna set it out to dry for a couple of hours, at least to make sure the paper dries fast, but you wanna make sure the bottle cap is on there secure. So once you're done with that, you will get something like this. And there you have it. You have your spinners. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Fun Friday video. Make sure to tune in next week for another art, craft, or activity. Thank you. Bye-bye.